Right now, reading is more important than ever. In the 21st century, children are going to have to read in order to get the better jobs. They also are going to have to read to understand themselves and to understand the world.
The statistics on children living in poverty in this country are staggering. Book ownership and access to books of all kinds has a huge impact on children from the very youngest age. Not having had access to a lot of formal early learning experiences and coming to kindergarten without knowing the alphabet or without having ever had a book read to them is already setting that child back in a very profound way.
The most basic indicator of success is attached to the level of reading skill that each of our children brings and is allowed to apply throughout their lives.
Schools understand that their communities are changing and there are a wider and more diverse range of kids in schools than ever before. Many of them lacking the skills of reading and some lacking family support for reading.
Our organization is really designed to focus on how to reinforce classroom learning in ways that are meaningful. We want to make sure that all caring adults, whether it's a community-based organization, an after-school center, have the resources that they need to advance their work. One of the things that we're critically focused on is ensuring that we bring in partners. Organizations like Reading is Fundamental and Reach Out and Read really represent a grassroots effort that's organized, that has a sort of tentacles into the community that go directly into homes and reach parents and other caregivers in a way that is so personal and so connected.
Reach Out and Read has had a phenomenal impact on improving children's literacy skills. We've been around for 20 years, and this year alone we're touching the lives of nearly 4 million children. Children who are living in poverty, many children who don't have access to books, many parents who don't understand the importance of reading. Every year we deliver 8 million books. Our pediatricians deliver the message about the importance of reading, but that message without the books would mean nothing.
The climate right now favors bringing more people into the reading and learning process.
The idea of partnership, all of us in this global community is saying the same thing to children. 1, we believe in you as a reader. 2, we're going to make it possible for you to learn to read. 3, we're not going to let anything stand in the way. And 4, that everywhere you go, you're going to feel that way. You're going to feel that way in this home, you're going to feel that way in this school, you're going to feel that way when you go to the after-school program, because you're going to see books there.
We believe there's real power in collaboration between classroom teachers and community-based organizations.
In Title I, there is a provision for what is called family and community engagement programs, which is where we are getting the acronym FACE for Family and Community Engagement. But schools often don't know how to do this, and FACE provides them techniques and ways of formalizing their family and community engagement programs.
The holistic approach that FACE promotes by bringing together the community, the school, the foundation, the mentoring capacity that every community really does have within it, with adults who can really be reading role models for children, is really groundbreaking.
Specific examples of our work are most positively reflected, I think, in 2 major cities, both Atlanta and Houston, where local leadership has stepped forward in a way to say that the engagement of families and communities is absolutely essential to ensure the kind of growth that we want for all of our children.
Teachers, parents, community members, all of us are on the same page saying the same thing. We believe in stories, we believe in books, we believe in reading, we believe in you, the child, as a reader, gives that child the tools that child needs to be a strong explorer in that world.
So think about our society as it's evolving and the number of children in school who need that help. And you understand why family and community engagement is so important and why why reading skills for all children and reading motivation and reading love and care is such an important ingredient to the success of our society over the next 30 to 50 years.